Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our chapter in arithmetic progressions. Our topic is sum to first n term in arithmetic progressions. We already made two videos. In these videos we include definition of arithmetic progression, that means what is arithmetic progression, and in second video we include finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Now sum to n term of an arithmetic progression. So suppose you have one arithmetic progression and you want to find sum of these arithmetic progressions. That means you want to add this term. So how you can find this add term? By using this formula Sn. S stand for sum, n stand for number of term. जितनी term का addition करने को बोला है वो. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula of sum to n term of an arithmetic progression. This is the first formula. Same way, second is the version of this formula converted into form of this. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. L stand for last term. Last term of an arithmetic progression. We know a is your first term, b is your common difference, that means second term minus first term. Now third formula is relationship between Sn and Tn or An, that means nth term and sum of n terms. Relations is this: An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. We consider two examples for better understanding this formula. In this our first example, we want to find the sum to first n term of arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17, 23 ... So in your first question, what is given here in arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17, 23 ... First of all, you should be right given arithmetic progression, then its first term and common difference d. So what is your a here? 5. Common difference d, that means second term minus first term you can write. 11 minus 5. This is 6. After writing given things, what you want to find here? Sum to first n term. That means Sn is equal to question mark. Now, whenever you want to find here Sn, you should be use its formula. So, now Sn's formula is n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put corresponds value. N is as it is because you want to find here sum to n term. Suppose you want to find sum to 10 terms, so you can write n is equal to 10. So Sn is equal to n upon 2. 2 as it is instead of a, put its value 5. And as it is instead of b, put its value 6. Now simplify and convert Sn in form of n. N upon 2, 2 5s are 10 here. Multiply 6 inner side, 6 into n, 6n, plus minus minus 6 ones are 6. So this is n upon 2, 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 6n. So your Sn is equal to n by 2. Take 2 outside from these two terms. So remaining here 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6n. That means 2 take out from these and this term, so you should be right here. And remaining step right here. So 2 1s are 2 will be cancelled. So your sum to n term is n into 2 plus 3n. If you want to multiply n inner side, so you can multiply this way. 2n plus 3n square. n into 2 is 2n. Plus n into 3n is 3n square. So your answer is this: sum to first n term of given arithmetic progression is 2n plus 3n square. Let us consider second examples. In this second examples, how many term of arithmetic progression 7, 11, 15, 19 dot 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 will add up to 900. You should be read question carefully and decide what is given in your question. In your questions you have arithmetic progression as well as add up to 900. That means you want to this add all terms. Whenever you getting its addition, that means its sum is 900. And how many terms add up to 900? So you want to find here number of term, that means n. So you should be right for second. Here in arithmetic progression 7, 11, 15, 19 dot dot dot. First of all, same thing, you should be write A and D first. So your A is first term 7, D is common difference 11 minus 7. So your D is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. So your D is 4, A is 7. What you want to, one more thing given here, Sn is equal to 900. And what you want to find here, n. N is equal to question mark. So definitely Sn is given in your question, so you should be use Sn formula. So we know Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is your Sn? Sn sum of term is 900. N write as it is because you want to find number of term. So n by 2, 2 instead of a write its value 7. N minus 1 instead of d write its value 4. So 900 is equal to n by 2. 2 sevens are 40 plus multiply 4 inner. So 4n minus 4. So 900 is equal to n upon 2. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4n. Take 2 outside. So 900 is equal to n upon 2. 2 take outside. So here is 5 plus 2n. So 2 ones are 2 will be cancelled. So you have 900 is equal to n into 5 plus 2n. Now multiply this n inner side. So you got 900 is equal to n into 5 is 5n plus n into 2n is 2n square. Now change side of this 900 here. So your quadratic equation become 2n square plus 5n. This is plus 900 become minus 900, which is equal to 0. And definitely this is quadratic equation in form of variable n. So definitely its solution you can find by splitting the middle term. So find out the factor of 2 into 900 in form of a 5. So you can write 2 into 900. Factorize it. 2 into 900 is 9 into 100. Again factorize 2 into 3 3s are 9. 100 is 2 into 5 into 5. Now make pair of 2 such that its addition or subtraction you getting 5. So 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50. So this is not a. Now check other way. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 2s are 100, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. No, this is not possible. Check other way. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. Yes, we get this pair. 40 and 45. So you can write 2n square, make pair this 40 and 45. So you can write plus 45n minus 40n minus 900 equal to 0. Take out common first two and last two. Common from this is n, so here is 2n plus 45. Common from these two, so minus sign common, inner sign will be changed. Here 40 and here is 900, so common is 20, so here is 2 left and here is minus common, so inner sign will be changed plus n as it is, and this is 900, 20 is common, so remaining is 45, which is equal to 0. Now again common, 2n plus 45, so remaining is n minus 20, which is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So you getting n is equal to minus 45 upon 2. And n minus 20 is equal to 0. You getting n is equal to 20. But what is your n? N is the number of terms. So number of term never be a negative and never be in form of a fraction. So this is in form of a fraction as well as negative. So this is not possible. That's why number of term given arithmetic progressions is 20. So your answer is 20. Required terms are 20. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.